Have you seen this frustrating macOS error? Apple claims the app is damaged and tells you to throw it in the trash. But in 99% of cases, the app is completely fine. This is actually a security block called Gatekeeper. Let us fix it.
The quickest workaround is the right-click trick. Open Finder and locate your app. Instead of double-clicking, hold Control or right-click the app, then select Open. In the confirmation dialog, click the Open button. macOS will now remember this decision and let you launch it normally.
If that does not work, you can override it in your settings. Open System Settings and navigate to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Security section. You will see a notification stating the app was blocked. Click Open anyway, enter your password, and confirm your choice.
For a permanent fix, we can remove the quarantine flag using Terminal. Open Terminal, type sudo xatro space -rd space com.apple.quarantine space. Now drag and drop the app from Finder into the terminal window and press Enter. Enter your administrator password to unlock the app.
Why does this happen? macOS automatically stamps a quarantine attribute on all files downloaded from the internet. Gatekeeper inspects this file for a valid developer signature and a notarization ticket. If either check fails, macOS blocks it under the guise of damage.
If Terminal shows an operation not permitted error, ensure Terminal has full disk access in your privacy and security settings. Also, if you get this error while installing an older macOS version, open Recovery Terminal and use the date command to roll back your system clock.
Bypassing Gatekeeper should only be done for apps you trust. If this guide solved your problem, please hit the like button, subscribe for more macOS tips, and comment which method worked for you.